April is Citizen Science Month, and today we have two special guests coming in, Sebastian and Katherine, and they're going to set up an experiment with us. I've got the experiment right here. Don't forget about Citizen Science Month. You can visit the websites in the description to find out more. All right. Can I just have your guys' names? What's your guys' names?
Katherine, and Sebastian.
Katherine and Sebastian. All right. Do you guys know what citizen science is?
No.
Okay, so citizen science is pretty much where you guys or anyone else can do experiments to help out real scientists. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so you guys want to help me with an experiment today?
Yeah.
All right.
So step 1, we're going to put the amino acid powder packet in 1 cup of water.
How do we measure?
So each of the little bottles right there is 1 cup. Okay?
Okay, so Sebastian put it in. Oh, well, I try.
It will not dissolve in the water, so you're just mixing the water and the powder before you soak the handful. Okay. Now the next one, put that one aside. And you're gonna put a sugar packet in 1 cup of water.
Sugar.
So grab the one that says sugar pack.
I want to mix it.
Yeah, do it backwards. Good job. It says we're going to put salt packet in 250 milliliters of water.
So how do we measure the 250?
Is it a cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken?
No, it's not chicken.
This is not one. So what put the salt?
And another one is going to be just water.
Okay, this one is fine. And this one. Do we have to mix it?
Right.
We probably don't have to mix it.
Wait. Let's go back to quarter shortbread cookies. So grab the cookies,
Okay, that's the cookies.
open it up, and go. So the next thing we're going to label 6 index cards. Do you really have index cards?
Index cards.
Perfect. So take them out and
And
you two can use that pencil.
And so I'll write it. Doesn't matter, Miss Master.
So, what?
Next.
So the point of this is they're gonna use this. We're gonna take our cotton balls now. So you're gonna soak a cotton ball.
We put cotton ball in each. Water. No water. Just water. Wait.
One in each, but can you? No, wait. First, take the index cards. salt,
Soak it, Sebastian.
water,
Soak it.
oil, cooking. Okay. Yes, you're gonna soak one ball
It went
in
down.
each of the solutions.
It went
Put one
down
in
into the. It went down
It's
into
fine, put
the
one in each.
wilderness. Go down into the wilderness.
It went down into the wilderness?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to like do all that. Just
Stab it down there.
stab it.
I mean, no.
Like,
This
okay.
one's easy. Yeah, I don't even know why.
Okay, that one goes in the olive oil.
Oh, this one goes in.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you're gonna take the tape
I
off?
thought it goes in the cookie.
No. You can have another kind of oh, baggy. Or that?
These little bags, yeah, for trying to place the outside.
Okay. Can they just go in the cups?
Mommy.
Okay. So next thing. You're gonna take that cotton ball out and you're gonna put it in the cup that matches
Which
what's
one?
in it.
So,
So you can come around and grab
to grab.
the cotton ball that's inside of that.
Got it. Okay.
But they want to do that.
Okay, what's next?
We're not going back there.
Okay, what's next?
Then we're gonna bring them outside. There were two in that pile. Sebastian, I need you to put the goggles on. Okay.
It's not my ball, I have candy.
Okay, do you have one more toy?
No.
I thought you had more. Right?
Oh my god, my koala! 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 Yes, koala.
Okay, so you're gonna grab amino acid one and put it on it and slide it over so you can see the name.
Amino.
So you're gonna put the cotton ball.
Sebastian,
right
you're gonna
onto
get
it.
all the cups and you're gonna pass it to her.
Catherine,
You're gonna be her
You're gonna take
assistant.
the cotton ball out of the cup and you're gonna put it onto the card.
And then give me the cup. And smile and
And that's how you make a volcano.
do you want more?
Yeah. I can't. Does it even work anymore?
Yeah, keep on going.
Go, go, go. Yeah, I definitely. Wait, I'm gonna do one more thing. Wait. I'm gonna do it professionally. Ready? Look. Look at me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. Yeah,
More baking
more
soda.
baking soda. Let's go.
Sebastian, you pour this.